Okay, this is a video about subtracting with negative fractions. Okay, you're still going to have to follow all these rules, but since they're fractions, you're going to have to look at a different step. So let's look at some equations that have some fractions in them. Let's say we have negative 2 over 9 minus 3 over 9. Okay? First, we're going to have to apply our subtraction rules. Those are keep, so we're going to keep this the same. Change, so we're going to change this subtraction to an addition. Then we're going to flip this last fraction. So since it's positive, we're going to make it negative. Okay? To add fractions together, you always have to make sure that they've got a common denominator. In this case, they do. So we're just going to go back to our original addition rules, which since these are the same sign, we're going to just add our 2 and 3 together, which is 5, and it's going to keep the same sign, which is negative. So our final equation is negative 5 over 9. Okay? Now let's look at some fractions that do not have the same denominator. Let's say we have negative 1 over 3 minus a negative 3 over 5. Okay? What we're going to do first is we're going to always apply our subtraction rules because we are subtracting originally with negative numbers. So we're going to keep this the same. This is our keep. We're going to change this, so this is our change. And we're going to flip this fraction, so we're going to flip this to a positive. Okay? Now we need to make sure before we start adding that these have a common denominator. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to set my equation up just like that. Now the least common denominator between 3 and 5 is 15. So I'm going to go ahead and add 15 all across the board. Okay? So what you have to do is we're going to take one fraction at a time. I'm going to see what I multiplied by 3 to get 15, and that was 5. So whatever I do at the bottom to get 15, I have to do the top. So I'm going to draw a circle around here because you do not want to forget about your sign. Okay? So we're going to multiply 5 times a negative 1. That's a negative 5. Okay? Now we're going to have to do the same over here. I multiplied this and got 15. I multiplied it by 3. Okay? So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do the top. Again, I'm going to draw a circle around it because I cannot forget about my side. In this case, they are both positive. So 3 times 3 is 9. Now, I'm just simply going to solve my problem going across like our normal addition. In this case, we have negative 5 plus 9. My signs are different, so I need to find the difference. The difference of 9, 5 is 4. And then I need to take the sign of the larger number, which is positive, so I'm going to leave this as it is. So my answer is 4 over 15. And that's it. I hope this helps.